Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasir, and today in this video we're going to be unboxing the two products that we have. The one is SoundBuds and the other is a power bank from the company named Anker. So let's get right into it. So here we have the product with us, and as you can see on the left we have the Anker power bank, on the right we have the sports bud. So let's begin with the Anker. As you can see here, it has got fast charging capability, and you can charge up to 3 phones with this power bank. It is the first feature of this power bank. If you have any large battery in your phone, so you might be able to charge only once. The second, we have quick charge. It can charge phones faster than your conventional power banks, and is that it can charge 2 times faster. The power bank itself can charge 2 times faster, and its name is PowerCore 2. So we have got plenty of instructions back of this power bank, so let's just pop into it and see how it looks on the inside. So guys, now I have removed the power bank from its casing, so you can see we have got a pouch with it to place this power bank inside, and it's a pretty nice pouch we've got. And so it is the power bank. As you can see, it's jet black color, and you can see the Anker branding here. Another thing is the button on the top, and the ports on the right side of this power bank. It has got the fast charging IQ along with the charging port. So that's pretty much it, and now I'll open it. As you can see, it has got 30% charging left. So there the dots did show. These are basically the battery indicators. Another thing that we have got with it is the charging cable. It is a USB type A cable, so this means that you can charge this via USB type A. It's a pretty shame that they haven't included the type C cable with it. So, and we have got some manuals along with it. As you can see that it can also be opened like this, but you can't remove the power bank from it. So it has got some nice little picture of the power bank and along with some features. So it's a nice little touch for a casing like this, and you can also scan and check that your product is original or not. So I guess that's pretty much it for this power bank unboxing. Now we will let these things aside. These are the Bluetooth headsets called SoundBuds from Anker. So it has got some features along with it that are mentioned on the Buds packaging. Now let us open this Buds first, and we'll check inside that what's new in this Buds. So it can also be opened like this, so you can see what these Buds look like, but you can't remove it, so you have to move it from the upper side. So let me remove this packaging. We have got the box itself, and we'll put this aside. We have got the Buds here. Yeah, the manuals and the charging cables would be inside it, I guess. And yeah, we've got some power cables along with some extra accessories, like you can swap those earbuds from these. It's a nice little touch from Anker. And we have got some owner manual with it. You'll see, you can see pretty much instructions, and we have got a pouch with it, the same pouch that we have got with the power bank. That's pretty much it. Now we'll check the SoundBuds. These are the Anker branding. So first of all, I have to remove the tape that's holding the Buds inside this packaging. These are the Buds. These are pretty much small and sleek, so you can wear them while you are working out, or you're jogging, or you're running, or playing some sport. So these are nice earbuds, and it is not the full review, so I will check these buds on my daily basis, and I'll tell you about it. And this is the power bank. It looks like this when you pop this into the pouch that we have got. Enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.